People who treat time lightly often discover its true value only after it's gone. Talent alone is never enough. There are countless people who say, "I'll do it tomorrow," believing opportunities will always wait. This story is for those gifted souls who forget that time never pauses for anyone. In a busy modern city lived a boy named Armin with his family. Armin was naturally sharp-minded. From a young age, he stood out in school, answering questions with ease and impressing every teacher who taught him. Everyone believed he had a bright future ahead. But behind his brilliance was a quiet weakness. Armin didn't respect time. Instead of using his evenings to study or improve his skills, he lost hours scrolling through videos, gaming on his phone, and hanging out aimlessly with friends. His parents warned him many times, "Armin, these days will never come back. What you waste now, you'll miss later." He always brushed it off with a smile. "Relax," he'd say. "There's still plenty of time." Then came the final exams. When the results were announced, shock spread through the class. Armin, once known as the topper, was nowhere near the top anymore. His grades were disappointing. Teachers were confused, classmates whispered, and even his friends slowly drifted away. At home, his parents looked at the report card in silence. No anger, no shouting, just quiet disappointment. That silence hurt more than any scolding ever could. That night, Armin couldn't sleep. His mind felt heavy. So he went to visit his grandfather, a retired lecturer known for his wisdom and calm nature. Sitting beside him, Armin spoke softly. "Grandpa, I don't understand. I know I'm capable. Why did I fail?" His grandfather looked at him kindly and said, "Your problem was never intelligence, my child. You ignored the value of time." Armin replied, "But can't I just work harder later?" The old man gently shook his head. "Time is like an arrow once released. It never returns." Then he shared a story. Years ago, he said, there was a man named Victor Hale. He was a founder of a powerful global company. In his early days, he respected every minute, worked with discipline, and built success step by step. But once fame and money arrived, he changed. He woke up late, delayed decisions, and spent hours lost in distractions. Advisors warned him, but he laughed and said, "I'll handle it later." Later never came. Competitors moved faster. Employees lost faith. Investors walked away. When Victor finally tried to fix things, the damage was already done. One evening, he sat alone in an empty office and realized his greatest mistake wasn't lack of skill. It was wasting time. The words hit Armin deeply. Something shifted inside him. He didn't want to repeat that story. "I need to change," he said quietly. His grandfather smiled. And that decision made today can change everything. From the very next morning, Armin transformed his routine. He planned his days, limited his screen time, and treated every hour like something valuable. Progress was slow at first, but it was real. His grades improved. His confidence returned. Over time, he became one of the best students again. Years later, Armin built a successful career as an entrepreneur, known not just for talent, but for discipline. Whenever people asked him the secret to his success, he shared one simple lesson he carried in his heart. Time decides your future. Once it's gone forever. If this story touched you, share it with someone who needs a reminder today. Stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.